This is the model I introduced today. This one is going to be Tim's neck. As you can see, this is part of Tim. His hands will stick out the bat's wings, and this is deep through the chest. If my sisters are in the back, then we can go up. You will see that Tim's neck is crossed with 8 petals. This is the hand part. This part needs to be removed. It's not because of the thin cloth, and his face would drop over his chest like that. And waist here is I'm going straight. I have a floor here. One more floor will be the same. So now we're going to go into the design. This dress. I'm going to take a shoulder measurement. Waist, buttocks, waist length, and hip length. Each person's measurements will be different. My sister's will be a measure to apply to the formula. Now I'm going to start with the design. It depends on the height we will measure. For example, this model I'm taking is 100 millimeters of gasoline, and then you tell them to build a perpendicular line. Then I'll count shoulder by shoulder. Dividing 2 is equal to 32. 2 is equal to 16. So you're going to take 16 and lower it to 4. But before you do, this shirt will have a small part. I forgot. So this is the year of gasoline I've got ready. On the floor ready. Then I'll finish painting and repaint. I think this is 16. I've been down from here 4. Take it from this point, ladies. Then go to her, and you'll take her. Dividing 30 by 5 is equal to 6. And then I connected this across the street. Like this. When you lower your chest, you divide it by 5. Sisters plus for 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. Let's take 18 o'clock, a perpendicular line. Then you'll take it across your chest. Chest divided by 4 sisters plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22 I took from here. You will take it on this shoulder. Take it down from here. Give me a lower waist of 35. Then I'll take the waist. Divide by 4 and divide by 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. From here you can take it to me. I'm sorry, ladies, 18. Take over for me is 18. And from here I'll take down a section. 18 is the part you're going to measure on your body. And then we'll make a perpendicular line across it. And we're going to get an as divided by 4. Plus for 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 1. Take it. Here are 2. Later, you reduce by 5. Stomach. So when you see this dress, it's got the right hip. This is the S floor. Then measure down from the waist. Give me a piece. It is equal. At 30. To the horizontal place across my pillow. For example, depending on the height of each person, my knee width here is 36. Then I'll take here a piece that's across the pillow. Then I took this part out. I'll cut your breasts. It depends on the height. You guys, this part will be different. And then we're going to put a perpendicular line down. Back up, there are two petrol. I split in two. And we split into again. We'll draw the armpit ring on the body. Then, I'll take a look at the model. And then, ladies, this shirt is bat arm. Then from here. If you don't like that, I can wear it from here. You guys take it up, then come out and give me 11 more. 13 petrol centimeter. From here, this is 13. Then you'll build a perpendicular line. And from here you're down. Give me 2. Then here's my sword. So we're going to get a bat arm like this. Then the Tim part, from here you back into to gasoline. Behind the chest, it comes to this point behind the chest. You're going to beat this Tim down here. Then it was me. Let me take a look at the model. To the waist. I'm going to pull this curve down to the waist. If you wear it like that, it will be sexy and it will be revealing. My sisters. I'm going to open up the whole left side of my chest. Here, if you don't want to show up, well, you can fight here. Then from here you go out. I will wear it so discreetly. On this part you will stop at the waist and the ass of the place. My body will go into the inner way. And then after you've done it, then we will go up. This part is 2 gasoline. Here we use it to draw the back body. That's ba. And this ass is because here we will have a. So it's here, ladies. Open up this part for me. It is a gasoline. From the bottom of my ass, a millimeter of gasoline. This is the butt line of the body behind raw a gasoline. Then now, we've just done the body part. Now I will cut for the back body. Follow the red line. Follow the red line. 1 and body SAO. SAO body, it will not have this piece. Let's put this together. Then I'll take this body. Then you cut this piece off. This part will be my back. This sisters multiplied for 1. This is part 7 in double. Then the next part. This towel will also be removed later. The lower part is the same as the previous towel. So I took this sign. I also took a sign here. Then you leave the body behind. Raha. I will adjust. Continue for the previous body. This is the previous part where we're going to cut this piece. Then this previous part. A piece in there. You let it be normal. I'm going to cut this road apart. But the double line, from the top of the towel to the bottom of the pillow, you're going to cut this way. But the way down is you're going to open up. Glass it. I'm going to expand the lower body. This way you will add more. You can see that I've expanded. It was almost once of the part. The hips of the body first. I cut this line, let it go straight. You open up to me. That's twice the width of the front. Because my paper here is a little small, it's me. Little by little, little by little. But when you expand, we expand. By double. In here, you'll cut it straight. Because I'm going to shape the line. Is the double fabric inside. The shirt part. This towel after we're done. It happened like this. Take a look at the model. Top here. And this part is you guys. The shirt is over here. This part of you may not be normal. This piece is this double fabric front body. This cloth is doubled. The sisters multiply a piece first. This shirt is also the front. But it's going to be multiplied by 2 because I'm going to cut to pieces. And the piece down here is for breeding. So you can imagine that we've expanded it. We're going to expand it. It will be double fabric. And the residue out here. The rest is out here, ladies. You will draw the same. Stacking varieties. Let's sort it by the piece below. The lower part of the body it's going to pull off. This second floor stays the same. This third floor stays the same. And when we're done sewing the part, here's the upper body. Here you will cut a piece of the rope. Let's tie this waist. So this is a whole folded part of the front body. You can imagine. And the back is down here. You do the same. You will also cut this road. And we're also going to cut it in half. And we put it together. And the body later, we don't need to break the waist. It's because of the back. That's it. This is double fabric. This part you will cut off. And we're going to double the length. Similar to this piece. and I wish you success. Thank you. Hi, see you later.